Hi guys, Payas this side here once again. I am back with 12th video. This video is all about how our video ad should be. So the psychology behind the video ad. Nowadays 30 seconds of short form videos are working very well for my clients as usual. When comparing to image ads, video ads are working very well. So that's why I'm just making this video, and how the structure will be of a video is like we have to be different. Basically everybody are using normal basic videos and they are just running ads. That's not the good way to run the ads. I will suggest you use a header footer strategy where we have to giving a clear call to action on our header and footer by creating three types of videos for one ad. Like one is a reel format video, and another is 1:1 ratio Instagram post size video. So that's the thing. So that's where actually videos are working very well for myself and for my clients also. So that's why I'm just making this video. Before that video wala ad strategy part, I just want to tell you how a video will be, what concept behind the video ad. I mean, we have to shoot a video based on AIDA formula. AIDA is not nothing but attention, interest, desire, action. So when a person watch a video, he must give the lead, right? So that's why we have to focus on these four important steps. Literally I'm going to tell you how to generate AIDA video script as well. So using chat GPT or something bad. So nowadays AI is booming, right? We have to take benefits of this AI also. So I will suggest you go with Bard or chat GPT. On both two, I recommended you to go with Bard because that was a very updated version. So it was also Google's product, right? So that's why. Just give a prompt to chat GPT or Bard to generate script. Let's suppose your client is NLP coach. Just give it to Bard. Hi Bard, this is so and so. We need a content based on AIDA formula to shoot a video ad. Then boom, we will actually get a good script and you just have to shoot the video. Previous videos I just shown you how to shoot a video by scripting. Watch that video. Apart from that, to giving you idea, I am just showing one of my real clients ad creative so that you will get complete idea, right? And the video will be like, first we are giving header and footer, and the video duration should be like max to max 1 minute or 1 minute 30 seconds. And for the header footer strategy, we are giving clear call to action on header, and the footer will be clearly mentioned, click the link below or book now call. That would be more better. And the last of the 10 seconds, we have to give the call to action, click the link below, book your call right now. That where a person have watched complete of 1 minute video, then he will saw this, click the link below, book a call. So that's how the video strategy, and I will show you everything, right? So let's dive into this video.
Hi there, I'm Renai Vatalis and I'm a life coach and hypnotherapy. Are you feeling overwhelmed by anxiety and stress? Do you find yourself struggling with self-sabotaging habits that hold you back from achieving your goals? Maybe you are dealing with depression and insomnia and you are not sure how to overcome it. If any of this sounds like you, I'm here to help you. My goal is help you discover and implement your own blueprint to achieving success. Whether it's in your personal or professional life, I will help you overcome your obstacles and become the best version of yourself. With my guidance, we will work together. Identify your strengths and weaknesses, and develop a personalized plan to help you achieve your goals. And the best part is you don't have to do it alone. I will be there every step of the way, cheering on you and supporting you as you make progress towards your goals. So, if you are ready to take the first step towards a happier, healthier and fulfilling life, I'm here to help you.
That's all for this video. Stay tuned for my next video, and a lot more videos are coming in this Facebook ad series and advanced level videos guys. So subscribe us, and until then, have a good day. Bye bye.